You just found the 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA class. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a finely appointed Mercedes GLA 250 SUV. Compact, agile, adventurous, and equipped for navigating urban landscapes as well as winding back roads. This sleek, capable crossover brings the spirit of its motorsport heritage along on every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Bold feelings of elegance and capability flow through every drive in this well-equipped GLA 250. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.